Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to talk about class 11th biology chapter 2nd part 1st. Okay? Class 11th biology chapter 2nd. This is the biological classification. This is the biological classification part 1st. This is the part 1st of chapter 2nd. We discuss in this video classification of kingdom. Classification of kingdom as Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia, and also Plantae and Animalia. So let us start now. We know about the taxonomic categories or classifications in previous video, like a chapter 1st. We know about taxonomic category or classification. There are classification is that this is the species, kingdom, and second phylum. Phylum or division, and again this is the class and order, and again family, and again species. This is the taxonomic categories. This is the taxonomic categories. We discuss in this video classification of kingdom. We discuss in this video classification of kingdom. So scientists like Linnaeus time two kingdom. First, Plantae and Animalia. Scientist Linnaeus divide the kingdom in two, like kingdom Plantae and Animalia. And after the Linnaeus, a scientist like as R.H. Whittaker in 1969 proposed 5 kingdom classification. This is the first Monera, second is the Protista, third is the Fungi, fourth is the Plantae, and fifth is the Animalia. So these are the classification by the R.H. Whittaker in 1969. So we discuss in this video this table. You can see your table. This is the table. We discuss about this table in this video. This is the classification of kingdom also. Whittaker classify the kingdom in 5 kingdom, like as Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Okay. So we can see here their characters. 5 kingdoms and their characters. So we discuss here. This is the characters, and this have 5. This is the 5 kingdom. 5 kingdom is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. This 5 kingdom and characters. Cell type. Monera have prokaryotic cell. Monera have prokaryotic cell. You know about cell. There are two type of cell. First, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Cell is the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. We know about the prokaryotic cell. They have no nucleus and no organism, organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, etc. But in case of eukaryotic cell, all organs present, like as nucleus, true nucleus, and all organism like as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apertures, mitochondria, etc. In this cell they are present. So Monera have prokaryotic cell. Monera have prokaryotic cell. Protista have eukaryotic cell. Protista have eukaryotic cell. Fungi have also eukaryotic cell. And Plantae also have eukaryotic cell. And in Animalia also have eukaryotic cell. Only Monera have prokaryotic cell. All 1, 2, 3, 4 have eukaryotic type of cell in organism. And second, this is the cell wall. We discuss the cell wall. We know about the cell wall. This is the plant cell and this outer part is the cell wall. This is the cell wall. And this is the animal cell. This have no cell wall. So we discuss about the cell wall. Cell wall, no cellulosic. In this Monera, no cellulosic. Cell wall have no cellulosic. Polysaccharide amino acid. Polysaccharide and amino acid. No cellulose. Okay? And in this protista present in some present in some organism. Cellulose present in cell wall present in some organism. And cell wall present without cellulose. Present without cellulose. In fungi present without cellulose. Means cell wall is present but they have not cellulose. And this plant present cellulose. In this plant cell present cellulose. We know about the cell wall. Cell wall made up by cellulose. In the plant they present. Cellulose is the present and this is without, in fungi without cellulose, and in prokaryotic present some and they have no cellulose. And animal cell these are absent because animal cell have not cell wall, because animal have not cell wall, so they are absent. Again, characteristic cell membrane. You know about the cell membrane. This is the cell and this is the nucleus. Nuclear membrane. This is the nucleus. This is the nucleus and this nucleus have a membrane. So this membrane is the nuclear membrane. In the Monera, kingdom Monera, nuclear membrane absent. Kingdom Protista, nuclear membrane present. In fungi, they are present, and in plant they are present, and in animal they are present. So nuclear membrane absent in only Monera kingdom, and all Protista, fungi, plantae and Animalia they are present. Body organization. Body organization means body organized. Cellular. They are cellular. Monera have cellular. Only cellular. And Protista have also cellular. And fungi multicellular loose tissues. Multicellular. Both Protista and Monera are cellular because they are made by one single cell. है ना? So these are the cellular and multicellular loose tissues. And planted tissues organ. In planted tissues and organ. And in Animalia tissues, organ and organ system. We can know about the animal organization of body. First, cell make tissues make organ, and organ make organ system, and organ system make body. So in this Animalia, tissues, organ and organ system, they have the characters. And mode of nutrition. We know about mode of nutrition. We study in class 10th mode of nutrition clearly. So we discuss again mode of nutrition of kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom fungi, kingdom plantae and kingdom Animalia. Mode of nutrition. In Monera, autotrophic. Because they makes their own food. So these are autotrophic. So Monera is the autotrophic. Chemosynthetic means they prepare the food with the help of chemical substance like as iron. So these are the chemosynthetic. And photosynthetic, they are also prepared with the presence of light. So these are the photosynthetic. And heterotrophic. Monera have also heterotrophic because they depend on other organism. So they are also heterotrophic. Saprophytic. We know about the saprophytic. And dung matters. They sustain in saprophytic mode of nutrition. Saprophytes means decompose. They nutrients with decomposed materials. Parasitic. They are also parasitic mode of nutrition. They take their food with by host. So are the parasitic. So all mode of nutritions occur in kingdom Monera as autotrophic, chemosynthetic, photosynthetic, heterotrophic, saprotrophic and parasitic mode of nutrition. We discuss about the Protista. Nutrition of Protista. Autotrophic. Protista make their own food with the help of and with the process of photosynthesis. So these are autotrophic and photosynthetic. They prepare their food with the help of light. So photosynthetic. And heterotrophics. They are also heterotrophic because they take nutrients other organism. So these are heterotrophic. They depend on other organisms. So these are heterotrophic. And fungi, third kingdom is the fungi. Heterotrophic. Fungi are heterotrophic because they cannot make their own food. They are depend on other organisms. So they are heterotrophic, saprophytic, and they grow in dung or desi material. So are the saprophytic. We know about the saprophytic, saprotrophic mode of nutrition, such as they take nutrients the desi or decomposed materials. So they are the saprophytic. And parasitic means they take food their host, so they are parasitic. So fungi have three mode of nutrition: heterotrophic, saprophytic, and parasitic. This is the plantae autotrophic. We know about plant make their own food with the help of with the process of photosynthesis. So they are the autotrophics. You see plant, they make their own food process of photosynthesis. So these are the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So plant have autotrophic mode of nutrition. We discuss in previous class 10th clearly mode of nutrition. So these are easily. And again, Animalia heterotrophic. Animalia have heterotrophic mode of nutrition because they cannot make their own food. They directly or indirectly depend on other organisms. So they are heterotrophic. Holozoic. We know about the holozoic mode of nutrition. We take food inside and we some process we study holozoic mode of nutrition like as human being, and saprophytic act. Saprophytic also they grow in desi or dung materials. Okay, so these are the saprophytic mode of nutrition. So this is the classification of kingdom and their characters. Okay, once again we study about clearly that we take the Linnaeus, a scientist as Linnaeus. They classify the kingdom into two parts, Plantae and Animalia. After the Linnaeus, a scientist like R.H. Whittaker in 1969, they classify the kingdom in 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. And they have different characters: cell type, cell wall, nuclear membrane, body organization, mode of nutrition. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe this button and like this video. Thank you.